Wait, we're trying to find her. I'm not taking a photo.
EQIC entry is crowned.
I really do want to make it work, but you know, like when someone doesn't like you anymore, it's just you can't do anything, right? It's been on like never quit experience.
Wait, where you going? Wait, I'm shit. Oh! This is just, my butt hurts.
Yo, sit down. What is he doing? Yo, sit down. Okay, so I spent 1 hour just being confused about how to do percentages and fractions. So I was trying to calculate how much people spend using my commission code. The formula was $10.39 times 100 minus 0.205, because I thought 100% would subtract the 5%, so then you find 95% of $10.39. But then no, that's not how you do it. Yeah, I figured it out. Spaghetto. My bowl is not big enough. It's pitch cold. I need to do it longer. How long should I be doing it?
刚刚用多少？
60?
那不够，在 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Okay, I woke up really late today. Usually I get up at 10 or 11 to start off my workday so I can work from 10 to 6 because it's an 8-hour workday. I have to work 40 hours a week, which means 8 hours a day of work. So if you don't know, I literally just finished my 3rd year of computer engineering, and then afterwards I'm taking a year-long internship. Not gonna lie, the internship process sucked balls. Literally, I would like put myself down by going on LinkedIn. It was like not a good cycle, and I just would not talk about internships because I didn't want to know what successes other people were having until I found my own. But I did manage to find one at a business consulting company on the engineering team, so super awesome.
This is my outfit.
What is this?
Anchor.
What is this?
Oh, L, it's from my company. Oh my god. Imperial spicy seaweed snack, cranberry cracker, short sweets, jalapeno cheddar corn nut, almonds, pistachio, popcorn, Sierra Mountain trail mix, cream crackers, not cheesy fromage, sweet potato, white chocolate coconut chip, Big Daddy, sublime multigrain tortilla, raspberry lemon soft baked block, sea salt and half melted mint chocolate, Nations Fruit & Co. organic mocha moments, whole nut and sweetened dry cranberry active blend, vanilla coconut bites, peanut, dill pickle roasted peas, salted caramel brownie brittle, clusters, sesame snaps, ginger snaps, Tucker snickeroo bites. Pretty cool. Okay, now I'm gonna film some TikToks. I've been trying to film 2 to 3 TikToks a day because I've been trying to drive traffic to my YouTube channel, so we're gonna do that. Alright, TikTok's up, and now it's time to get back to work. Dinner time. Now I am doing laundry. Oh, so much stuff is already in here. Hello. What are we making today?
豆浆 soy milk
Yes, sir.
差不多这样 OK 放进来 OK 这边有一个 scale 到这里水 on the top line
Oh, I see the scale. I see the scale.
OK
Okay.
放进来那个水放到那个 top line 那是 mess 嘛那就这样就可以了
That's a grinder.
对这是
Grind the beans, right?
bean and cook
It cooks the beans too.
yes 这个地方你看
Yep.
OK 放进去哦 OK 好 OK 那你用这个叫选择 OK 选择这个我们要选择这个 OK 所以放 OK 好这就可以了
Okay.
它自己会 start
Okay. So it's been 20 minutes. Did you want me to pour?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
okay.
okay 我看做一次你下次你就会了 OK
I thought Z does it multiple times.
是吗我叫我们试试看
Okay, just try it.
OK 这样把它做饼
Oh, white sugar is the
Yeah,
best.
it's better, yes.
Okay.
That's better. Marriott.
Marriott. Thank you. 2 packets.
2 package? Here could be a good example. And you don't wash your body, then your kids, your wife, maybe later your wife will. Wow, 刚刚好 OK
So around this time, I probably do one of 3 things. The first thing I do editing, which takes me many hours to edit my videos.
Stop, get back.
Today you're really lucky because you caught me on a day where every 3 to 4 months, like, my emotions like to pent up and I love to have like an emotional outburst.
It's 10 p.m. now. I spent the last hour and a half just being sad.
my gosh, hi, editing Woo here. I'm so emotional, dramatic. Emotions. But I promise this doesn't happen every night. It's just a thing that happens like every 2 months or so. My emotions boil up and I'm like sad and all that. But yeah, that was the thing. I promise I don't get sad every night. Sometimes just like I get emotional and just like emotions make me really sad and I'll be like mopey and yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, I'm sorry if I look fugly doing it and disgusting, but it's just a thing that happens. But yeah, like the whole thing about like love and stuff, like I'm not glamorizing a relationship. What happens, what happens. I was just feeling emotional and lonely and, you know, just like I just want to keep going forward and just like it just I think my mind was drifting and I was like love and I'm scared and yeah, okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's just a moment of weakness. Rarely ever happens. Rarely ever happens. But it happened on that particular night. What happens? What happened? It's fine. It's fine. You know, I'm over it. I'm literally so over dramatic and emotional. It's fine. It's fine. Till the next breakdown. Yeah. It's 3 a.m. and I'm eating some of the munchies that I got from my work box, snack box. I'm actually fine. It was kind of like got all my emotions out and I'm just like vibing now. It's really weird. They're so crunchy. I got my soy milk too. But yeah, that's probably the end of the vlog. I'm just gonna go to bed after these snacks. So thanks for sticking around and I'll catch you guys later. Ooh, out.